Clearbrow, North Dallas, finishing up a 2021 C8 full wrap XPEL Ultimate Plus, full 5-year ceramic coating over everything, and XR Plus window film, and S-Tech DynoFlex on the windshield exterior for rock chips and paint protection, or windshield protection from chipping and rock chips. Okay, so let's take a walk around this thing here with we can real quick, because I gotta get busy. We're gonna check out all these edges, make sure everything's wrapped in. Everything looks good. We're gonna look at the cleanliness of the install. We're not looking for any type of marking, or we're looking for any type of markings, anything like that. There are a few little dust nibs in the paint. You can see them underneath the vinyl poking through from the factory. But everything looks really good in this car. And again, with the flag, goes underneath. So we take it off, put it right back in the same place with our template, wrap it in like I always like to do, all these little corners. Wrapping in around these headlights, real important to me. And wrapping in here now. So we're doing the patterns a little bit different. Got a little rock chip there, but getting wrapped in. We did some adjustments in the programming, and actually in the front tip there, we're able to rewrap that tip. There's a natural seam. Let me get in there. So there's a natural seam from the pattern. We actually omitted that and have it now so it's fully wrapped. Take this plate out and fully wrap underneath now. So we're always looking for different ways to do it and make it better. So you just can't do the same thing over and over. We're always looking for the most effective way to protect that car. And getting all this wrapped underneath is normal. Coming inside all these doors, the door's wrapped in, the fender's wrapped in, it's wrapped in here, wrapped in this whole backside. Here's the windshield film on the outside, and then on the inside is the window XR Plus tint for the heat. This is for rock chips out here. And full wrap top, fully wrapped all this around, all the way around. No notching, nothing. Everything's wrapped in. Coming around, full quarter wrapped in, gas cap wrapped in. Everything's good, everything looks great. Wings fully wrapped in one section. All this, the back, this comes off, 4 bolts, so we can wrap in all the way here. All this is one section. So everything's looking real good. So nice wrap, all this came off. Everything's looking great. So there we go, folks. ClearbrowNorthDallas.com. Any questions? C8, another one back here underway, full wrap. And this one is ready to go. Gentleman lives out of Houston. He's flying up right now to come get his car, and he can hit the road with confidence that he is fully protected. Ceramic, window film, windshield protection film. So there you go, folks. Really appreciate you watching. Any questions, feel free to shout. And that's about it. Thanks for watching. Clearbrow, North Dallas.